Beshalach, ideas in the realm of Gematria from the Parshah for the Geulah. This is Article 16, because Beshalach is the 16th Parshah, starting from Bereshis. This week's Parshah is Beshalach. This week is commonly known and referred to as Shabbos Shira, the Shabbos of song, because of the song of praise that Moses and the children of Israel sang after they crossed the sea, that God had split, and they had been saved from the Egyptians because they all had drowned in the sea. The word Beshalach has a numerical value of 340, and a central part of the Parsha is the Az Yashir, the song of praise sang by Moses and the children of Israel at the sea. This song is of very high praise, and appropriately, the numerical value of the word lishabeach, which means to praise, has a value of 340 as well. In fact, they are the same letters, just in different orders. Beshalach is lishabeach. This number of 340 takes us to an important verse in the Parsha, in the episode in Marah, when they had no water to drink because the water was bitter. And God showed Moses a tree and told him to throw it into the water, and the water became sweetened and drinkable. Vayitzak el Hashem v'yareu Hashem eitz, vayashlech el hamayim, vayimteku hamayim, sham sam lo chok mishpat, v'sham nisau. So he cried out to the Lord, and the Lord instructed him concerning a piece of wood, which he cast into the water, and the water became sweet. He gave them there, Sham, he gave them a statute. He gave them a statute and an ordinance, and there he tested them. Exodus 15:25. Sham 3 equals 340. It means there. And Sam, it means placed. But here they translate it as he gave them. Sham Sam. It might be the only time that two words appear in that repetitive way in the Torah. Maybe there's one other time, but this is certainly one of the only times that the Torah has two words that are spelled exactly the same. Of course, you have the verse of Hashem, Hashem, this verse is going to come next. But there's other, you have also sometimes names Avram, Avram, and Yaakov, Yaakov, but in this case, but they're very few. Sham, Sam, spelled the same way, of course the same Gematria. A third time, Visham, Nisau, and there he tested them. These are all equal to 340. And because they're spelled the same way, naturally they have the same numerical value of 340. Shem, which means a name, has a value of 340, of course, and the word notzer, which means to keep or to preserve. As in the verse, Notzer chesed la'alafim. He preserves kindness for thousands, 2,000 generations, forgiving iniquity and rebellion and sin. Exodus 34, verse 7. So Notzer has a numerical value of 340 as well. Perhaps what we can learn from this numerical equivalency and the meaning of the greatest name, which of course is Hashem. Hashem means the name. So Hashem is the ultimate name. And name is 340, and Notzer is 340. So this equivalency can show us the quality of kindness that he preserves for thousands of generations, for all of us that we see in all of these stories. Have a great Shabbos.